Hello students, today we have to move for the next continuation part in the lesson Human Eye and Colorful World. Till to yesterday we learnt about how does human eye acts as a camera, and I told you the power of accommodation also. What is very important, that is the ability of the human eye to adjust the focal length is called as the power of accommodation. Keep in mind that, okay? And the minimum distance we can see clearly, the minimum distance we can hold the object, that is 25 centimeter. I told you actually. So otherwise we can't able to see the clear image, so that's why the minimum distance it's required, so 25 centimeter. So below 25 centimeter if we are holding light, we can't able to see the clear image. Next we have to know about that far point and near point. What is mean by far point and the near point of an eye? Okay, far point and near point. So what is mean by far point of an eye actually? So far point means, okay, the farthest point up to which the eye can see the object clearly. The farthest point, ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರದವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ without any blurriness. Okay, that is called as the far point. Keep in mind. Okay, the farthest point up to which the human eye can see the object clearly is called as the far point, and the nearest point up to which the human eye can see the object clearly. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you can see, you can check that by keeping your book and everything near to the closest eyes. That is called as the near point. Okay, the minimum distance at which the object can see clearly without any strain. Okay, if you are taking the things and everything to the closer, very closer to the eye, the eyes getting strain, you can see that. Okay, so without any strain, that is called as the nearest point. Okay, the nearest point up to which the eye can see the object clearly without any strain, that is called as the nearest point. Okay, and I told you when the old age is happened, so or when the people crossed their age and everything, when they will become old, by that time the lens has getting damaged. So the lens, the image and everything is appears to be milky and cloudy. Okay, the image and everything is appears to be milky and cloudy, nothing but blur ಆಗಿ ಮುಸ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. So that defect is called as the cataract. That defect is called as the cataract. Okay, this is also one of the defect of the eye. Okay, many diseases are there, mainly 3 diseases. They are called as the myopic eye, hypermetrophic and presbyopia. Along with that, one more eye defect it is, that is called as the cataract. These are all the eye diseases. Keep in mind. Eye defects or eye diseases, ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ. Okay, so what is mean by cataract? The crystalline lens of the people at the old age become a milky and a cloudy. The lens of the old age people become a milky and cloudy. That defect is called as a cataract. So how can we correct this cataract and everything? So this is cataracts will be corrected through the cataract surgery. Okay, the person want to underwent for surgery. ಕಣ್ಣಾಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ old age people, ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. That is nothing but the cataract surgery. Okay, so that is, okay, the peoples want to underwent for which surgery? Cataract surgery to correct that defect. Otherwise, if they not underwent for any surgery, may gradually they can lose complete their vision. Okay, completely ಅವರ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so that's why almost the peoples who had having the cataract diseases, they must undergo for the cataract surgery. Otherwise their vision will be completely lost. Okay, so this is about the cataract. Next we have to know about the other 3 defects, mainly 3 defects, that is the myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. Which are the main 3 defects? Myopia, hypermetropia and one more thing is presbyopia. Presbyopia. Yes, in this the main important thing is myopia. So we have to see that what is that myopia or myopic eye. So this is the diagram of myopia. So in this myopia, a person can see the near object clearly but not the distance object or far object. It can see the near object clearly. So near object can clearly a person can see but not the far object. Near object he can see but not the far object. That kind of defect, eye defect, is called as the myopia. Keep in mind, what is myopia? A person can see the near object clearly but not the far object. That is called as the myopia. What are the reasons for this myopia? The reasons for the myopia is excessive curvature of the eye lens. Okay, excessive means more curvature of eye lens. Okay, I means this eye lens is bending more. It is bending more, not bending little. That is the one reason for the myopic eye. And the second one is elongation of the eyeball. Kannu gudde anta ನೀವೇನು ಕರಿತೀರಿ. So that is elongate pupil. Okay, elongation of the eyeball. So that will be elongated. Okay, if this eyeball will be elongated means if it is elongated more. Okay, so that is those are the reasons for the myopic eye. Keep in mind what are the very important myopia, that reason and that correction and everything. Even cataract also, eye defects almost many of the times they will ask anyone, myopia, cataract or hypermetropia or presbyopia. You have to concentrate on that. What are the reasons for the myopic eye? One is excessive curvature of the lens, and the other thing is the elongation of the eyeball. So how can we correct this? Okay, the myopic eye, keep in mind, the myopic eye, 4 point of the myopic eye can be corrected by the using the or by placing the convex lens, in this concave lens. Okay, by placing the concave lens, this is the concave lens, we can correct the myopic eye. Okay, if you place the concave lens instead of convex ಬದಲಿಗೆ concave ನ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ we can correct the myopia. Okay, so myopia, the diseases can be corrected by placing the or by using the concave lens of suitable power. Power is also very important. Later I will tell you what is power actually. So you have to by replacing the lens, the concave lens, with the suitable power, we can correct the myopic eye. This is about the myopia. Very important. I'll repeat again. What is mean by myopia? A person can see the near object clearly but not the far object. If that person is suffer from that diseases is called as the myopia. That disease is called as the myopia. So what is the reason for the myopic eye? The reasons for the myopic eye is, one is excessive curvature of the lens. One is called as the excessive curvature of the lens, and the second thing is elongation of the eyeball. How can the myopic eye be corrected? So myopic eye is corrected by using the concave lens. By using the concave lens of the suitable mirror, by using the suitable power, we can correct the myopic eye. So this is the diagram. Even diagram is also very important. Many of the times they ask you the diagram only. That is must and should, that is compulsory. So when any one diagram among the myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia, any one diagram they will ask you. So you should be ready how to write the diagrams and everything. So this is the myopic eye diagram, actually a person who is suffering from the myopia, he can't able to see the image clearly. I mean image is not formed, okay, image is not formed on the retina here, okay, that's why he can't able to see the clear image. So that is, and the correction, now the image is formed on the retina. So here what is the nature of the image of the myopic eye? The nature of the image of the myopic eye is the image is formed in front of the retina, not at the retina, okay, it is formed, the image is formed in front in the sense retina the ಮುಂಭಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ instead of not at the retina, so this is the nature of the image formed in the myopic eye. Okay, what is the nature of the image? The image is of the myopic eye, usually the image is formed at the retina, because I told you while explaining where the image is formed, right? Okay, here if the who is the person suffering from the myopic diseases, there the image is formed in front of the retina. That's for that sake a person can see the near object but not the far object. Okay, if they are asking why in the myopic eye can see the near object not the far object, because the image is formed in front of the retina, not at the retina. So this is about. So next hypermetropia and the presbyopia we have to discuss in the next period. Till that, keep learning. Thank you all.